So if you're having trouble installing your Moen Positemp trim because the valve's too far in the wall, don't panic, because I got you covered. As you can see, this wall here has been built out a little too far, and therefore the valve is set further back, and the trim actually won't go on because the screws won't reach. So I'm going to show you this cool kit from Moen that actually solves this problem. This is a 1-inch Moen Positemp extension kit. They also make a 2-inch version where everything is an inch longer than the 1-inch version. But here you see it comes with basically longer pieces of all the different parts. It's got a longer stop tube, it's got the longer screws, several longer screws actually, so you have options. Here's an extension for the stem of the cartridge. It even has the notch in it so you know which way is up and which is down. Here's a longer tube for the temperature limiter. And yeah, basically it just comes with longer parts of everything so you can actually get your trim on. Here's the directions that come with it. Obviously you can pause the video if you want to check them out. But yeah, this is just a cool kit that Moen made to solve this problem. A lot of times there's multiple people involved in renovation projects, so sometimes there might not be the best communication between the plumber and the tile contractor. So you have the 1-inch kit here. And they also make a 2-inch kit, believe it or not, for when the valve's even further. But all the pieces pretty much go on the same way, but I'll show you here real briefly. I put on the stop tube first, and then I put on the trim plate, and now I'm putting on the little brass extension for the stem. You see that I point out the notch in it. That notch goes down for a Positemp valve like this one. Then you put in your temperature limiter tube. Make sure everything's straight. We're going to pop in our 2 screws that hold on the trim plate to the wall. Then we're going to go ahead and place on the little black piece that holds the handle on. Make sure you have it oriented in this direction, and make sure you select a Phillips screw that's long enough to go through the black piece, the little brass extension, and all the way into the cartridge back there. But you're going to tighten this Phillips screw really well. Sometimes these screws right here can get a little tight at the end, leaving the black piece kind of loose where it'll come back and forth. So just make sure you press a little hard with the Phillips screwdriver and make sure you tighten the screw really well so that the handle doesn't have give in it. But once you get that piece tightened on there, make sure it's oriented the way we have it in the video, and then you're ready to put on your lever handle. Get your little set screw ready on your Allen key like this, and then you're going to go ahead and place the lever handle onto the black piece. We'll go ahead and show it here just so you can see again how the black piece has to be oriented. And the lever is going to go on there with the lever arm facing down. But go ahead and pop him on there, make sure he's positioned right, and then carefully screw in that set screw with your Allen key. But at this point, just snug that Allen key and then you're all set. You officially installed your Moen Positemp trim, even though the valve was super far back in the wall. The extension kit product links are in the description, and I'll try to put them directly in the video too. We appreciate you watching. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, or really any kind of comment. You know, we love reading them. And yeah, again, we appreciate you watching. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Hope you have a good one.